Well, I got some bees from a swarm my friend caught. Put them here in my mom's yard, and they seem to be doing okay. But I bought some other boxes, and I just placed these here last week, and it appears that a swarm may have moved in. And there's a lot more bees here than there are over there. That other little previously was a swarm, but now have a home. So I thought I'd share that. It's pretty interesting and pretty cool. I think they found a great home because these boxes here, at least I think that top box has already built comb in them already. It's not just wax frames.